Let's talk about high frequency words. What are they and how do we teach them and how do we learn them? So, high frequency words are just what they sound like. They're words that happen a lot with high frequency, so they're very common in things that we read in the English language. So, they happen often, and oftentimes these words have unusual spellings. In the past, and sometimes even now, people will call them sight words, which means often they have been taught and still are taught and sometimes memorized by the whole words. But we don't want to do that. How we're going to teach high frequency words is the same way that we teach every single word in the English language. If we speak a word, like I say the word they, we can sound it out. A, right? We can say each sound and then we can match the spellings. Now, the little bit of the tricky part of people think of high frequency words is oftentimes spelling, like in they, EY is the spelling for A. It represents the sound A, and that's not a very common way to spell A, but it's not a big deal if you know how the code works. And like you know, 1, 2, 3, and 4 letters can spell a sound. If you know that, and you understand that there can be unusual spellings, and you've got the information of what that 2-letter spelling is for A and they, it's no big deal. You just manage it the same way that you would the word cheese. Ch, E, Z. And here's the spelling for ch. It's 2 letters, and the spelling for E is 2 letters, and the spelling for Z is 2 letters. Not a high frequency word, but a word that we are all common with. It's common in our language, but also with those words like they and what and was and should and all of those. We manage those the exact same way that we manage all words, because all words are spoken, so all words can be sounded out. All words have letters to represent the sounds, and up to 4 letters are going to represent each spelling, each sound. 4-letter spellings represent each sound, so we match our sounds to our spellings, and we read them and we write them. So that's what high frequency words are. No big deal.